When looking to replace your HVAC system, getting the best value is important. That means the highest end product with the most features isn't always going to be the right choice for everyone. At W.E. Brown, we pride ourselves on putting our customers' needs at the forefront of everything that we do. So let's talk about the best ways for you to maximize value on your next HVAC purchase. First step, assess your current situation. Getting to know your home and its current system is the first and most important step. Our HVAC consultants really spend time with you here, listening to your needs and concerns, getting an understanding for your budget, and identifying the features that would enrich your life and increase your comfort.
Hey, how are you today?
I'm doing well. Good morning, Chris. It's nice to meet you. I'm Tony with W.E. Brown. Thanks for inviting me on this morning.
No, I really appreciate you guys coming on such short notice.
So the first thing we're going to do is take some measurements of the existing equipment and ductwork, note the condition of the existing accessories such as the media filter here, and then make a quick assessment of the overall condition of the ductwork. I'm also going to take a look at the existing outdoor equipment to make note of its model and serial number information, and to also make sure there's nothing about the existing location that's going to impede the installation of a new piece of equipment. This situation is a little unusual. The customer has two thermostats, one that controls the heat pump unit we were looking at, and one that controls an auxiliary furnace they use. So I may bring up with the customer possibly relocating these, and also talk about maybe combining them to a single thermostat, or adding a new thermostat with various features such as remote access, programmability, and energy tracking.
So now that we understand your current system, what new system may be the best value for you? Here are the things you'll want to be familiar with. Ratings, such as SEER and HSPF, determine how much it will cost to operate your system on a monthly basis. The higher the efficiency ratings, the lower the operating costs will be. Things like humidity levels, indoor and outdoor sound ratings, and remote accessibility greatly affect the comfort and overall usability of your system. It's up to you to decide how much value each one of these features will add to your home. Promotions, such as rebates and 0% financing, may offer the best way to maximize the value of your next purchase. At W.E. Brown, we also offer a lifetime workmanship warranty on all of our installations. As you can see, there's a lot to consider, and the best value will vary from home to home. But we hope that this video will empower you to make the most informed decision towards your home's comfort. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're in the Charlottesville, Albemarle area, feel free to reach out to W.E. Brown.